What is the role of medical leadership in shaping the strategy and direction of medical affairs? This, my friends, is a question that sparks the beginning of our journey into the world of medical leadership. Medical leadership is like the conductor of an orchestra, guiding and harmonizing the various components of medical affairs. The conductor doesn't just wave a baton, they shape the performance, influence the tempo, and ensure every instrument plays its part to perfection. Similarly, medical leadership is pivotal in shaping the strategy and direction of medical affairs, or MA for short. You see, Massachusetts isn't an isolated entity. It's a crucial part of a greater whole. Medical leadership is responsible for developing the MA asset strategy. This strategy serves as a central thread that weaves through the fabric of the organization, informing company-wide scientific and commercialization strategies. It's like a compass, guiding the direction and focus of the entire company. But the role of medical leadership doesn't stop there. They are actively involved in the co-creation of brand strategies. Imagine a painting. The colors, the strokes, the canvas, they all come together to create a masterpiece. Similarly, medical leadership ensures that medical insights and expertise are integrated into the overall brand narrative, enhancing its credibility and depth. And how do they do all this? Through the demonstration of strong leadership skills, of course. They exhibit strategic thinking, effective communication, and a profound understanding of the medical landscape. Their goal? To maximize MA's influence and secure a prominent seat at the decision-making table within the company. In essence, medical leadership is the driving force behind MA. They navigate the complexities of the medical world, aligning with broader company goals and contributing to the development of asset strategies. Thus, medical leadership is not just about directing medical affairs, but it plays a critical role in shaping the overall success of the organization. They are the helmsman and helmswomen of the ship, steering it towards uncharted territories of success and growth. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating world in our upcoming scenes. Development of MA asset strategy is a central thread of effective medical leadership. But what exactly does it entail? Well, let's delve into this. The MA asset strategy is a comprehensive plan that outlines how medical affairs can best leverage its resources, skills, and knowledge to achieve organizational objectives. It's like a roadmap guiding MA in prioritizing and managing their assets effectively. This strategy is not developed in isolation, but rather, it's woven into the fabric of overall medical leadership. It informs the internal workings of MA, dictating how resources are allocated, how personnel are developed, and how knowledge is managed. It's the backbone that supports the structure and function of the MA team. But the influence of MA asset strategy extends beyond the boundaries of medical affairs. It plays a central role in shaping company-wide scientific and commercialization strategies. By providing valuable medical insights, it helps to steer the scientific direction of the company, influencing research and development priorities, clinical trial design, and regulatory strategies. Moreover, the MA asset strategy also impacts commercialization plans. It helps to identify the most promising assets, guides the positioning of these assets in the market, and informs strategies for product launch and lifecycle management. It's like a compass, guiding the company towards the most valuable opportunities and away from potential pitfalls. In the co-creation of brand strategies, the MA asset strategy again takes center stage. By integrating medical insights into the brand narrative, it enriches the story that the company tells about its products, enhancing credibility and fostering trust among healthcare professionals, patients, and other stakeholders. In essence, the development of MA asset strategy is a key aspect of medical leadership that significantly impacts the broader company goals. It's a testament to the power of medical leadership, demonstrating how strategic thinking, effective communication, and deep understanding of the medical landscape can drive organizational success. How does medical leadership contribute to the co-creation of brand strategies? Diving right into it, medical leadership is the driving force behind the co-creation of brand strategies. It's not just about having a seat at the table, it's about actively participating in the strategic discussions and decisions that shape the brand's narrative. Imagine the brand strategy as a puzzle, with each piece representing different aspects like marketing, sales, customer service, and so on. Medical leadership brings a crucial piece to this puzzle: medical insights and expertise. These insights, grounded in rigorous scientific understanding and clinical experience, provide a unique perspective that is indispensable in the co-creation of brand strategies. Medical leaders are the bridge between the scientific community and the broader organization. They translate complex medical jargon into understandable language, making it possible for the rest of the organization to grasp the value and potential of medical assets. This translation process is vital in integrating medical insights into the overall brand narrative. And it's not just about the integration, it's about the timing as well. Medical leaders have the foresight to anticipate changes in the medical landscape and adapt the brand strategy accordingly. This proactive approach ensures that the brand stays ahead of the curve, responding to changes in real time rather than playing catch-up. But co-creation doesn't stop at the organization's doorstep. Medical leaders also engage with external stakeholders such as healthcare professionals, patients, and regulators. They ensure that the brand strategy aligns with the needs and expectations of these stakeholders, thereby enhancing the brand's credibility and relevance in the marketplace. The co-creation of brand strategies is a dynamic, collaborative process. It requires an ongoing dialogue between medical leaders and other key players within and outside the organization. This dialogue ensures that the brand strategy is not only scientifically sound, but also resonates with the target audience, driving brand loyalty and growth. Therefore, medical leadership's contribution to brand strategies ensures that medical insights are not overlooked, but integrated into the brand's overall narrative. What are the leadership skills that medical leaders need to maximize their influence? This question is paramount to understanding the effectiveness and impact of medical leadership. It's not just about holding a position of authority, but how one leverages that authority to shape and influence the strategic direction of medical affairs and the broader organization. Firstly, strategic thinking is at the heart of medical leadership. Strategic thinkers are visionaries, able to see the bigger picture and anticipate future trends and challenges. They craft strategies that align with the organization's goals, and they consider the implications of those strategies on various aspects of the organization. It's this forward-looking perspective that allows medical leaders to steer their teams in the right direction and prepare for what lies ahead. Secondly, effective communication is a crucial leadership skill. Medical leaders often need to convey complex medical information to a wide range of stakeholders, from other medical professionals to company executives and even patients. They must be able to distill this information into clear, concise, and understandable messages. Moreover, they must foster open communication within their teams, encouraging dialogue, collaboration, and the sharing of ideas. It's through this effective communication that medical leaders can influence decisions and drive change. Lastly, a deep understanding of the medical landscape is integral to maximizing influence. This involves staying abreast of the latest research, medical advancements, and regulatory changes. It also means understanding the needs and concerns of patients, healthcare providers, and other key stakeholders. With this knowledge, medical leaders can make informed decisions, offer valuable insights, and contribute meaningfully to strategic discussions. So, strategic thinking, effective communication, and a deep understanding of the medical landscape. These are the leadership skills that medical leaders need to demonstrate to maximize their influence. By embodying these skills, they can effectively shape the direction of medical affairs, influence company-wide strategies, and assert their place at the decision-making table. By demonstrating these leadership skills, medical leaders can maximize their influence and secure a prominent seat at the decision-making table. How does medical leadership contribute to the overall success of the organization? This question brings us to the crux of our discussion on the role of medical leadership in shaping organizational success. At the heart of this contribution lies the active involvement of medical leadership in developing asset strategies. This is not a passive role. Medical leaders are actively engaged, using their medical expertise and strategic thinking to inform and shape the trajectory of these strategies. They understand the medical landscape and can foresee how different assets can be most effectively used to achieve the organization's goals. But the role of medical leadership goes beyond just the development of asset strategies. It's about alignment with the broader company goals. This is where effective communication comes into play. Medical leaders are not working in isolation. They are part of a larger team, with each member contributing towards a common goal. The ability to communicate effectively, to articulate the value and potential of different assets, is crucial in ensuring that everyone is on the same page, working towards a shared vision. Moreover, medical leadership's role doesn't stop at the planning stage. They are also involved in executing these strategies, ensuring that they are implemented effectively to maximize their potential. This requires a certain level of adaptability, as strategies may need to be tweaked or adjusted based on changing circumstances or new information. Ultimately, the role of medical leadership is a balancing act. It's about staying true to the scientific integrity and ethical standards of the medical profession, while also being mindful of the commercial realities of the organization. It's about leveraging medical expertise to inform strategic decisions, while also ensuring that these decisions align with the broader objectives of the company. In conclusion, medical leadership plays a vital role in shaping the overall success of the organization, through its strategic input in asset strategy development and alignment with the broader company objectives.